Now we're gonna learn how to use links in HTML and how to use the comments in HTML. So we're gonna learn about links. After these links, click Control and /. This is the comment. Click Control and /. It will automatically become a comment. So how to use the link? There are internal links, also external links. Let's see how to use the external link. A tag. Type A and use it as a link. You need to type the external web address. Suppose we're gonna use the google.com. Okay, what is that? Google. So save it and see, check the web page. Okay, the link showing here is Google, but it is sticking together with the previous work, with our previous picture. So if you want to make a gap in between this link and the picture, you need to make some line breaks. First, after this image, make some line break. How? Self-closing BR, how many times? Multiple, 5 times. Enter. It will make 5 line breaks. Let's check in the web page. You see this link, there is 5 line breaks in between the image and the link. So click on that link. It will open google.com, but the problem is the previous page is disappeared. But we don't want to open it in the same page. We want to open a new window. How to do that? Okay, let's go to the previous page, and on the text editor, in the opening a tag, we need to indicate a target equal to underscore blank. Okay, save it, go to the page, click on Google link. So how to use the internal link? Suppose you want to visit a section in the same page. How to go there? Let's make more gap because our working file is very small. Let's make some line break. BR multiply. So how to make it? You need to set up an ID in the section. So in the heading 1, I want to set up an ID, and so write down ID equal, in between the double quotation, write down the suitable name, that will be the ID. So I'm gonna use internal. Okay, so internal is our ID for S1. So after this external tag, make a line break, multiply 3, enter, go to the next page, go down, then anchor tag E is for the link. There you need to make this is internal, so you don't need HTTP, or just write down the ID. What is the ID? You need to ID always start with the hash. Internal for this, in between the opening and closing anchor tag. What is this? You can write anything, whatever you want. Internal link. Okay, save it, go to the web page. Okay, internal link. So when you click, see, this is the paragraph. Before, on top of the paragraph, we can see anything. So when you need to go to the specific section, the heading 1, you just click on the internal link. It will show you the section where was the ID. So our ID was in the heading 1, so I can see that one. Also, if your file is big, your project is big, and there are like 2-3 pages or 5 pages, and you want to jump on the another page, in that case, how to use the link? This is another page, new.html. How to open create it? Just click on this plus, then name it new.html. So where is that page? That page, there is a paragraph. Also, we can write a heading 1, h1, enter. This is the new page. Just write down whatever you want to write. New page. Okay, and in the paragraph, I put an ID. ID name is enter. Okay, enter. So go to index.html, another anchor tag, type E is the link for the href. You need to write the address, which page is page name is new.html, new.html, and after that put the ID hash. What is the ID? ID name is enter. Then write it new page, new page, br multiply 2, enter, save it. Okay, visit it, internal link, and next one is new page. Just click on that, but if you click on that, the new page will open on this page, but I don't want to open it here. I just want to open it in a new window. For that, what you have to do, you have to set up a target. How to do that? Target equal to underscore blank. Control S. Okay, now click on the new page. It opens a new window and you can see the paragraph. Also, if you want, you can use image as a link. How to do that? Let's learn it. So I'm taking some of your time, but if you spend some time, you can learn all the things, basic things. Some line break. We are multiply 3, enter, then anchor tag A, type A as a link, maybe yahoo.com, yahoo.com. Okay, in between this opening and closing anchor tag A tag, we're gonna put the image. You need to use the self-closing img tag, img, enter. Source should be, I'm gonna use this image pixel.jpg. So write down the address pixel.jpg and as an alternative text just write down pixel. Then we can set up the width and height. Width maybe 40 pixel, then height maybe another 40 pixel. Write down the target underscore blank, Control S. Okay, now click on the image. It will open the address in a new window, that is yahoo.com. So that's all for today. Is we learned everything about the links, and also we can use empty link. That is, let's see how it is. So after this image link, enter BR. Okay. A as a link, and in the href just as an empty link, just put hash as an empty link. Suppose like home page, right down my home, Control S. So let's visit the page, home. This is the empty link. If you click on this home, let's see what happens. When you click on the home, it will stay in the same page. So it will show you from the top of the page. That's all for the links. Thanks for watching, and stay with me for the next video.